Alright, OnePlus 2. Open box. So this is the phone itself. It's wrapped in plastic. The box is a really good design, as you can see. This is the manual they have, which is pretty nicely velcroed in. You have the manual, the quick start guide as they call it, and the user guide. Then you have the Type-C USB cable. Man, these are a little hard to take out. Here it is. The Type-C USB cable. Wow, these are bigger than I thought. Anywho, this is the adapter for it. Plug it in, plug it in. Let's see, is that all that's in the box? Or is there something on the bottom? Is OnePlus doing a trickery? Can't really tell. Oh, that's it. That's it. There you have it, folks. That is your open box for OnePlus 2. Never settle.